Here we go then with the Lego Star Wars Advent Calendar for 2023. And looking at the artwork on the box, it seems to be very Return of the Jedi biased, which is hardly surprising seeing as this year is the 40th anniversary of that fantastic film. But for day one this year, to kick off the calendar, we have Omega or Omega, a character from Bad Batch, which is good advertising because Disney is releasing the third and final season of Bad Batch in 2024. Omega was an unmodified yet enhanced human female clone. She was created as a pure genetic replication of the Mandalorian bounty hunter Jango Fett, who you may remember is also Boba Fett's dad. Omega was a medical assistant to Nala Se, spending her days working in Tipoca City on the clone homeworld of Kamino. When the war ended, she took an interest in Clone Force 99, who she eventually joined and escaped Kamino. She became a formidable member of the team using her trusty energy bow with great skill. The Bad Batch was complete. Omega would meet Captain Rex, a former soldier of the Grand Army of the Republic and an associate of the Bad Batch. When Rex realised that the group still had their inhibitor chips fitted, he implored the team to get them taken out. Omega and the others would join Rex inside a downed Venator-class Star Destroyer and get the chips removed. After Rex departed, the group would soon be discovered by the Empire and their adventures began. And yes, Omega is a child, so here she is with her Sledge. Good first build.